Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna unbox this Echo Dot 3 from Amazon. Nice packaging, very small device, compatible with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and there is also aux connectivity for your external big speakers. So here is a quick look on the box. This box is from US, so there are some apps from the US: Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, TuneIn. So it got connectivity with all these apps. So that's all. Down here is a serial number of our device. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here is the speaker itself. That's all in the box. We got 15-watt charger in the box with Amazon branding. We got manual which tell us about the Echo device and how to pair it up using the Alexa app. It also tells us how to connect it with external speaker. There is one more card from Echo Dot which tell us what things you can try with Alexa. You can ask these kind of questions. So here's the device itself. Very lightweight, tiny Echo Dot 3. Up here is volume buttons, plus and minus, and this one is your action button, and this one if you want to mute the microphone. On the side it's grayish black mesh, and this where there is speaker inside. On the back we got power adapter connectivity and the aux connectivity. Down here is your serial number, and this is a grippy rubber material which will help the device from sliding. Let's go ahead and set our Echo Dot 3. First thing first, we will go to App Store or the Play Store and download the Alexa app. We will connect our speaker to the power adapter. Here goes in our code to the power socket. Very beautiful blue and sea green light on the ring of the speaker.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
We will go to our Alexa app. Once you open the app, go to devices and we will click on the top right corner add device button. We'll click on add device, and here are multiple devices from Amazon. We have to click on Amazon Echo. Once we click on Amazon Echo, we will see which Echo device we're having. We got our Echo Dot, it's here. We'll click here. So on our speaker there is orange light on the ring, so we'll say yes. Which language you prefer? English. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now it's searching for device. It already searched. Here is our device. We'll click here. Searching for Wi-Fi networks. Look, connected to your Wi-Fi network.
Your device is ready.
Your Echo Dot is now connected. We'll continue. You can name your Echo device and you can set where you are keeping the device. We will select this device is in master bedroom. Setup is completed. And if you wish to change the language, you will just go to your devices, all devices, whichever Echo device you want to change the language, go to that device, and down there you will see language. There are a lot of languages here. So we'll go ahead and select in English Hindi. So it's saying updating your language may will take some time. Now it's updating to English Hindi. Our language is changed. Let's go ahead and check if Alexa is able to understand Hindi. Alexa, बाहर तापमान कितना है?
अभी ये 16 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। आज रात न्यूनतम 5 डिग्री होने की संभावना है।
Alexa, meow. So
What animal you want to hear next?
I want to hear lion. Alright guys, as you already know, these are our volume plus button, volume minus button. When you will decrease the volume, the white light on ring will go down, which looks very cool. And similarly, if you will increase the volume, this ring light will go. And if you don't want to say Alexa, just tap this button and you can ask your question or you can give the command. Okay, let's try. Set alarm for 3 p.m.
Alarm set for 3 p.m.
This is our mute button. If you don't want Alexa to hear you all the time, you can press this button and your ring light will go red too. So from far you can know that it's in mute, it's not hearing up anything. So that's all for now guys. Enjoy your device, have fun with it. Let's say thank you to this device. Thank you.
You're very, 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 very welcome.
Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please support the channel and click this like button and subscribe to my channel. And suggest me how can I make my videos better and more entertaining. Thanks a lot for spending your time. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.